Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this really cool domino I just designed. And what's really cool about it is that you can line them up just like this and knock them over just like that. And I taught some other dominoes in the past, but this one is actually a more realistic one. And see, I drew dots on it. Well, the dots I obviously drew on, but the line is actually pure origami. Because see, here's what it looks like without the dots. So, like that. And I put this line on here because notice on real dominoes, this is a real domino right here, they have this black groove right here. And so, I put that groove right here, and here's what I came up with. And it stands like that. Alright, ready to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Alright, so for this domino, I used a 5.5 inch by 4.5 inch rectangle of printer paper. And I'm going to show you how to get 4 of these from a whole sheet. So, this is 8.5 by 11 inches. So, first step is let's fold it in half like this. We're going to fold it in half both ways. And crease that really sharply. Alright, and let's reverse the crease also. Okay, and then fold in half the other way like this. Alright, and then now reverse that crease too. Like that. And now we're going to split them apart. And you could use scissors, but I'm going to tear it off because it's faster. So, if you are tearing it off, what you do is you just make a little tear right there. And then you place it down and separate your hands. And the tear goes all the way down, just like that. And then do that right here and on the other sheet if you want. So, just like that. And here we have the dimension. So that's what I'm going to show you to fold it from. But you can also use a sheet of kami if you want and do the same thing. And you can use 3-inch squares and that'll give you dominoes that look pretty much the same like this. See? So that shows you can use a square also. But I'm going to use the printer paper. So let's begin. If you're using paper colored on one side and white on the other, begin white side up and fold in half. But I'm just going to make 2 crease marks on the 2 sides, just like this. You could fold all the way across, but then you'll just end up with an extra crease on your domino. Okay, and now fold 2 crease marks. And repeat on the side. Okay, and now fold in half. Okay, so now take this edge and fold it up. How much? Well, this is to taste, but this is going to be half the thickness of the groove inside the domino. So I say just fold it about like this. It's about like that. It's good. Alright, increase that really sharp. Alright, now unfold like this. And now we're going to reverse a couple of these creases. So we're going to reverse the middle one first. So it's a mountain, and we're going to change it into a valley. So just fold it in half like this. Remember, here's the side with the open flaps. Alright, like that. Make sure it's a valley on this side with no flaps. Alright, now this one right here is going to be a mountain. Okay, like this. And just make those fold like that. So on this side with no flaps, make sure the middle crease is a valley, and the two side creases are mountains. Okay, now turn over, and here's the side with the flaps, and fold this edge to the nearest crease. Like this, and repeat on the side. Fold it to the nearest crease. Okay, just like this. And now, what we're going to do is, we're going to take this edge, and we're going to fold it to the middle. And there's an edge right here in the middle, just fold it to that edge. And you don't have to make the whole fold, just make 2 crease marks on the sides, like this. Alright, unfold, and now fold this edge to the 2 crease marks. like this. and crease that nice and sharp. And repeat on this side. So fold to the middle, and just make 2 crease marks. Alright, and fold 2 crease marks, and fold all the way across. Okay, and now comes the hardest step, so let's unfold those. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of make this pleat, or whatever that is in the middle. And when we do that, we're gonna make 2 diagonal folds on the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and make the fold first. So just watch me do the fold first, if I can explain it better. Alright. See, just like this. And yeah, make sure it doesn't get messy right there. There we go, fixed it. See? So when you push it together like that, we make 2 diagonal folds. And it's just to taste on the side, like that. Just fold it however, flatten it however you can, and same on the side. So we're just indenting that part so we can push it together like that. And just fold it however it folds. Like that. And once you did that, just kind of shape it to taste, open up the sides a little bit so it can stand. And once you did that, here is our domino completed. And yeah, and if you want, you can color the groove in, and you can make some dots right here too. But I'm not going to do it, I'm just going to keep it like this. It's cool like this too. Yep, and then you can just let it stand. And it is adjustable too. You can just, if it kind of falls like that, you can just adjust it by just leaning this back. Alright, and now it stands. And then you can just make a whole bunch of them, and then you can like line them up and then knock them down, just like your dominoes. So there you have it. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding this domino. Hope you're able to. And make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye bye.